Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly find the character count in Google Docs, whether for your entire document or just a part of it. Let's dive right in. First up, make sure your Google Docs document is open. Head to the top of your screen and click on the Tools menu. From there, select Word Count. A dialog box will appear that not only shows word count, but also includes the total characters, both with and without spaces. If you often check the character count, you'll find this tip handy. In the word count dialog box, there's an option to display word count while typing. Go ahead and check that box and click OK. This will pin the word count to the lower left corner of your document. Whenever you need to check the character count, just click on this pinned word count and it will open up the word count dialog showing character count information. Do you need the character count for just a part of your document? No problem. Select the text section you are interested in. Then, click on the pinned word count at the bottom of the screen to open the word count dialog again, and it will show you the character count for just that selected text. For those of you looking for more detailed insights, such as sentence count, paragraph count, letter count, and more, don't forget to check out our free character count tool at charactercounter.com. The link is in the description. It's packed with extra features to help you dive deeper into your text analysis. And there you have it. You now know how to quickly find and keep track of the character count in Google Docs for both your entire document and specific text selections. Happy writing! If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.